Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the products you're eyeing. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best matte liquid lipstick smudge proof on the market. The Revlon ColorStay Suede Ink Lipstick in the shade *003 Want It All. From first glance, this lipstick means business. The packaging is sleek, modern, and easy to carry, perfect for tossing into your purse or makeup pouch. But don't be fooled by the small size. Inside is 0.09 ounces of intensely pigmented, performance-driven lipstick designed to deliver maximum impact in a single swipe. Let's start with application. As soon as you twist up the angled bullet, you'll notice it's crafted for precision. That unique shape helps it glide right along your lip contours. No need for a separate brush or liner. It's a creamy formula that doesn't drag or skip, which makes it beginner-friendly and great for quick touch-ups on the go. Now, onto what sets the ColorStay Suede Ink apart. It boasts an 8-hour no-transfer formula, which means once it's on, it stays on. Whether you're sipping coffee, eating lunch, or chatting away during a long workday, the lipstick won't smudge or transfer onto your cup or clothes. That alone puts it a notch above most matte lipsticks, which tend to either crumble or vanish halfway through the day. A major highlight of this lipstick is the built-in dual-function primer. This isn't just a color product. It's also designed to prep and grip. The primer helps smooth your lips and bonds with the pigment, extending wear time and boosting that smudge-proof finish. That's 2 steps, priming and coloring, done in one, saving you time and effort during your routine. Another bonus? The naked lip feel. Matte lipsticks often get a bad rap for being too drying or cakey, but not this one. It's infused with antioxidant-rich vitamin E, which works to condition and nourish your lips as you wear it. That makes it ideal even for those with dry or sensitive lips who usually steer clear of matte finishes. In terms of finish, the suede matte texture is soft, velvety, and elegant. It gives your lips a bold, rich color without that flat, dry look. The shade Want It All is especially versatile, a deep, modern tone that's bold enough for evening glam, but sophisticated enough for the office. With 18 shades in the range, there's plenty of room to explore. Whether you're into neutral pinks, deep berries, or daring reds, there's a match for your mood and skin tone. The Revlon ColorStay Suede Ink Lipstick really lives up to its name. It delivers bold, full coverage color in one swipe, stays put for hours, and keeps your lips feeling soft and conditioned. If you've been searching for a long-lasting, transfer-proof lipstick that won't dry your lips out, this one's definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more in-depth reviews just like this. See you next time.